Thanks for choosing BlackVue to provide you with the ultimate peace of mind. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of BlackVue's rear accessory camera for trucks. Here's a look at the components we'll use for this installation. Proper placement of your rear truck camera is above the large rolling door, facing out, and at an angle that provides the best view of what's happening behind and around the rear end of the truck. We recommend powering up your camera and connecting using the BlackVue app with Wi-Fi Live View to confirm your lens orientation is optimal. To install the rear camera, start by drilling a hole where the cable can feed into the truck. Then use the self-tapping screws to secure the mounting bracket to the truck. Attach the camera to the bracket. Use the included cable clips to help secure the wires in the back of the truck. Plug the angled end of the coaxial cable into your main unit. Check that your dash cam is powered on. Finally, use the pry tool to hide wires under the headliner, plastic molding, or rubber sealing. Avoid running cables in any way that would interfere with airbag deployment. For more information, visit BlackVue.com.